I once again welcome you all in the session on the nutraceuticals. In the today's session, we are going to discuss herbs as health food. As you know that the most of the herbs which were in the use since ages have proved to be useful in the treatment and prevention of various diseases. As you know that there are various kinds of the herbs are there, and from since ancient times we are using these herbs for prevention and the treatment of the diseases. You know that as a plant-based diet, it may contain the non-nutritive phytoconstituents along with the macro and micronutrients such as proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals which are necessary for the normal metabolism. Whatever the plant-based diet is there, it comprises the nutritive constituents as well as the non-nutritive phytoconstituents. Furthermore, it comprises the macro and the micronutrients such as the proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. And all these things are necessary for the normal metabolism. And furthermore, all these macro and micronutrients are having the health benefits. So these constituents together play an essential role in keeping human body healthy and disease resistant. If we are consuming the regularly some of the nutrients which will keep away from the disease, which will make our health healthy, right? So in this part, there is a herbs as a health food. We are going to discuss some of the drugs which are being used as a nutraceutical for the preparation of the nutraceutical products. These drugs are alfalfa, chicory, ginger, fenugreek, garlic, honey, amla, ginseng, ashwagandha, and spirulina. So let us see one by one each of the drugs. Very first drug that is known as the alfalfa. So let us move towards the further details of the alfalfa. In this section, we are going to discuss the biological source, family, then chemical constituents, then health benefits of alfalfa, then dosage, precautions, side effects, and drug interaction. So let us move towards the alfalfa. So alfalfa, it is a perennial plant and it's a dried leaf is sold as a herbal tea, tincture, tablet, and powder. It's a kind of herb. Whole plant is being used as a nutraceutical. There are so many benefits are there when we are using the alfalfa. Alfalfa contains the entire herb of Medicago sativa, belongs to family Fabaceae. Whatever the alfalfa herb is there, it belongs to the family Fabaceae and it is obtained from the entire herb of Medicago sativa. There are so many synonyms are there for the alfalfa. So the synonyms are buffalo herb, then lucerne, then purple medical, and purple medic. So commonly we are using the buffalo herb and the lucerne for the alfalfa as a synonym. Moving towards the chemical constituent. Before that, just see the image how the herb looks like. So it's a herb which is a green and entire plant. It is having the medicinal value or the nutritive value, and it is being used in the management of the various diseases and disorders. So moving towards the chemical constituents which are being present in the alfalfa. Mainly, the alfalfa contains carotenoids, triterpenoids, saponins, and isoflavones. So if you can see, it comprises the saponins, right? So you might look aware that the saponins are having a great role in the management of certain diseases and disorders. It contains triterpenoids, carotenoids. These are the major chemical constituents of the alfalfa. That is carotenoids, triterpenoids, saponins, and the isoflavonoids. Moving towards the details of the chemical constituents which are present in the alfalfa. There are various vitamins are present in the alfalfa in a higher amount. The vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin C, thiamine, and riboflavin. You know that vitamin K, it is having a role in the coagulation. Vitamin C, it is having a role in the oxidation. It is going to act as an antioxidant. Then thiamine and riboflavin, these are the from the category of B complexes, water soluble vitamin, isn't it? Means 4 major vitamins which are present in the alfalfa. Then minerals. If you can see the minerals, the major minerals like calcium, potassium, and copper, it is present in the alfalfa. As you know that the presence of minerals indicates that it is having a certain role in the management of the certain chronic diseases and the disorders. Apart from this, the phytoconstituents like alkaloids, amino acids, coumarins, flavonoids, phenolic compounds, phytoestrogens, and saponins are present in the alfalfa. Alkaloids like asparagines and trigonelin is present in the alfalfa. Amino acids like lysine, tyrosine, phenylalanine, aspartic acid, and glutamic acid. Furthermore, the coumarins like copoletin, then flavonoids like quercetin and myricetin, then phenolic compounds like vanillic acid and ferulic acid, then phytoestrogens like coumestrol and genistein, and saponins like medicagenic acid and soya sapogenol. So these are the chemical constituents of the alfalfa. By observing the chemical composition or phytoconstituents present in the alfalfa, it might have the certain role in the management of the certain diseases and disorders. So let us move towards the health benefits of the alfalfa. So whatever the health benefits are there, they are connected towards the chemical constituents which are present in the alfalfa. Right? So very first important thing, that is the alfalfa, it is a rich source of certain minerals and vitamins. If you can see, it comprises the calcium, it contains the potassium. Along with this, in a minor quantity, phosphorus and iron is present in the alfalfa. Furthermore, the vitamins like the vitamin A, C, E, and K present in the alfalfa. So it is one of the source for the certain minerals and the vitamins, which is having the nutritional effect, or which is going to act as a nutrient, isn't it, in the health food. Furthermore, the alfalfa lowers the cholesterol level. Why it is going to lower the cholesterol level? It is due to presence of saponin. So correlate the thing with the chemical constituent present in the alfalfa. We have discussed that the alfalfa contains saponin. So saponins are having the ability to lower the cholesterol levels. It prevents the absorption of a cholesterol from the stomach, and thereby it reduces the plasma concentration of the cholesterol, or systemic circulation concentration of the cholesterol, right? It is going to be decreased. So automatically it indicates that it is having the health benefits in the certain cardiovascular diseases, right? Then third health benefit, it is going to lower the blood pressure, and it is going to act as a diuretic. As you know that the diuretics having a role in the management of the blood pressure. Might be you have gone through the chapter diuretic, isn't it? Generally, if the patient is suffering from the hypertension, along with the certain antihypertensive, diuretics are also given to the patient, as it is going to act as a diuretic. So furthermore, it is going to reduce the blood pressure. Apart from this, it is going to increase the milk production, breast milk production. It assists in the digestion and improves the bowel movement. So whatever if person is suffering from the constipation, he or she may get a relief by consuming the alfalfa, because alfalfa is going to aid the digestion. It improves the digestion as well as it is going to improve the bowel movement. Furthermore, it is going to promote the menstruation and lactation. It also used in the management of diabetes, then indigestion, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. So these are the some other health benefits of the alfalfa. So alfalfa, it is also having a role, or it is going to lower the blood sugar levels. So it is going to be useful in the management of the diabetes mellitus. It is going to help the digestion. So whatever the indigestion is there, it is going to be cured. Then furthermore, it is being used in the arthritis like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. The fresh juice of alfalfa, it is being used to treat the kidney stone, isn't it? Whatever the kidney stone is there, it might get dissolved due to certain phytoconstituents which are present in the alfalfa. Then roots of the alfalfa, it is going to be used to treat the fever and the jaundice in the Chinese traditional medicine. According to Chinese traditional medicine, the alfalfa, it is going to be used in the management of fever, that is treatment of fever and the treatment of the jaundice, where the levels of bilirubin are going to be increased. Then furthermore, the alfalfa, it is going to be used in the menopause symptoms relief, as it comprises the calcium, isn't it? It is rich with the calcium, source of calcium. As we have seen that it comprises the vitamin C, so it is going to be useful to manage the stress, that is the oxidative stress. It is going to act as an antioxidant. Then furthermore, it reduces the inflammation. It speed up the healing. Speed up the healing means it is going to be used in the management of certain wounds. Furthermore, it is going to act as an immunomodulator. It is going to boost the immune system. And lastly, it is going to detoxify the body. So these are the certain health benefits of the alfalfa. In short, if you can see the alfalfa, it comprises so many minerals. It comprises the vitamins, isn't it? So that is going to act as a nutrient. Furthermore, it is going to lower the cholesterol level. It is going to act as a diuretic. So it is going to be helpful in the management of blood pressure. Then it assists in the digestion and the bowel movement. Furthermore, it increases the breast milk production. It promotes the menstruation and lactation. It is going to be used in the management of diabetes, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. It is going to be helpful in the kidney stone. Then furthermore, used to treat the certain fever and the jaundice and menopause symptom relief. It is going to act as an antioxidant. It is going to reduce the inflammation, speed up the healing, then boost the immune system and detoxify the body. So these are the certain health benefits of the alfalfa. So in short, you can say that it is an immunomodulator. It is going to act as an antioxidant. It is going to be act as an anti-inflammatory. Then it is going to act as in the arthritis, right? Then it is going to manage the blood pressure. It is going to manage the blood sugar level, and it is the rich source of certain macro and micronutrients. That's it about the health benefits of the alfalfa. Let us move towards the dosage. So 5 to 10 gram of the dried herb can be taken 3 times daily. Particular disease it is not mentioned, but generally 5 to 10 gram of herb, it is being taken 3 times a day or thrice a day. Side effects of the alfalfa. The main side effect of alfalfa when we are consuming the alfalfa for the long term, it might cause the certain reactions which are similar to autoimmune disease called as a lupus in some patients. So something related with the autoimmune disease, it is going to be developed if we are consuming the alfalfa for long period of time. Then the precautions in the pregnancy and lactation, we should avoid the consumption of the alfalfa because of estrogen activity. And furthermore, in the hormone sensitivity conditions such as the breast cancer and uterine cancer, one should avoid the consumption of the alfalfa. These are the certain precautions to be considered when we are consuming the alfalfa. Mainly in the pregnancy and lactation, it should be avoided. Furthermore, if the person is suffering from the breast cancer or uterine cancer, the alfalfa should be avoided. Let's move towards the drug interactions related with the alfalfa. Now you are aware about the chemical composition of alfalfa. Whatever the drug interactions are there, these are related with the phytoconstituents which are present in the alfalfa and their underlying pharmacological action. The very first one, that is, you know that alfalfa contains vitamin K. So if we could combine the alfalfa with a certain anticoagulant like a warfarin, it may help in the blood flow, right? So alfalfa decreases the effect of warfarin. Warfarin, it is an anticoagulant. Vitamin K, it will help for the coagulation. So effect of the warfarin is going to be reduced, right? Effect of warfarin, it is going to be reduced. So this is the first drug interaction. That is, alfalfa contains large amount of vitamin K, and vitamin K is used by the body to help the blood clot. So by helping the blood clot, alfalfa decreases the effect of warfarin. The second drug interaction, which is related with the birth control pill, when we are taking the alfalfa along with the birth control pill, it might decrease the effect of birth control pill. This may be due to decrease in the absorption of the specific chemical which is present in the birth control pill, or by increasing its metabolism, that is the enzyme induction. Then third interaction, which is related with the photosensitizing drug, as generally we are using certain photosensitizing drug, when it is exposed to the sun, there might be chances of sunburn, blistering or rashes. As you know that alfalfa also, it makes the skin more sensitive towards the sunlight. So if we are consuming the alfalfa along with the certain photosensitizing drug, that might increase the risk of sunburn, blistering or rashes when the skin is exposed to the sunlight. Then the last drug interaction, which is related with the blood sugar level. As you know that in the health benefits, we have seen that alfalfa is having a role in the management of diabetes mellitus by reducing the blood sugar levels. So alfalfa lowers the blood sugar level. If we have taken the alfalfa along with the diabetic medication, it might cause blood sugar to drop very low. So one should monitor the sugar level if the patient is taking the anti-diabetic medicines along with the alfalfa. So these are the 4 major drug interactions of the alfalfa needs to be considered. So in this part, we have discussed the health benefits of alfalfa. We have seen the biological source of alfalfa, its family, synonym, chemical constituent, then health benefits, then dosage, precautions, and the drug interactions along with the side effects.